Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the filter on your Bosch Tassimo Joy and also reset the Memo indicator at the top here. So I've got the Brita filter in a bowl of water just resting for 15 minutes. I've been shaking it around and now I've got to go and rinse it out. Okay, so this has had a good soak in here for 15 minutes now, and occasionally I've gone out to give it a shake around. I'm now going to rinse this out with some clean water. So now this is ready to put into our coffee machine. So take out the water jug at the back here and empty out any water to make it easier to work on. You can take out this inside part here, and we're going to take out the old filter by just lifting upwards. This is a good opportunity now to give everything a nice good clean out. So clean all around where the filter sits, clean all around here, clean the bottom bit here, and you can also clean out your jug here, making sure that the float here is working nicely up and down. So once that's all clean, we've got our nice new Brita filter here. It doesn't matter which way you put it in, this way or this way, and you just need to push it down, and we just need to give it a nice firm press down. There we go. And if you have a look, you can see that the top is actually level with that bit there. So we're fully pushed down, so no water is going to escape around the side. All the water is going to be getting filtered through there. Pop that back in here. Obviously you now fill it with water, and now we're going to do the indicator. So this is the indicator just here, and what we have to do is you've got to hold down the button until it lights all the way up to 100%. It will start flashing and then you can let go. So we're holding down the start button now. 25%, 50, 75, 100 is going to start flashing, and now I can let go and it will stay at 100%. So that's it. We've got a nice new filter in there now. It's at 100%. Week by week that will go down 75, 50, 25, and then it's time to change the filter again. On these Brita ones, because the other filter I took out wasn't Brita, it was an Evolve one, you just need to grab left and right here and then just lift up like so. So that's it. Thanks for watching.